Okay, so Judith, your chance to take the lead. What was the name of the series of political events which culminated in the resignation of Edward Shevardnadze as president of Georgia? Was it the Rose Revolution, the Tulip Revolution, or the Daffodil Revolution?
Oh dear, I don't know. I'm not quite sure, so it's a bit of a guess. think it might be the Rose Revolution.
It is the Rose Revolution. Well done, you've taken the lead. Back to you, Phil. You need to catch up with Judith now. What was the first state of the USA to give women the votes? Was it Georgia, Minnesota, or Wyoming?
Again, I don't know. Can't imagine it was Georgia. I'm going to have to take a guess at Wyoming.
He's right, isn't it?
Did you see him swallow that worm? How long his beak is?
See how big the holes are in the ground. And there's a little birdie in the hedge.
So Wyoming is the right answer, Phil. Well done. So Judith, if you get this right, you will be in the final. The president of which country lives in the Malacanang Palace? Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines.
Dear, Malacanang, what language that sounds like? I think it sounds Filipino for some reason. I'm going to guess it. It is a guess. Filipino. Philippines.
Philippines is the right answer, Judith. Well done. Sorry, 3 out of 3, Phil. And your Churchill answer was the one that's knocked you out, I'm afraid. You won't be in the final. Judith, you will be. Please, both of you, come back and rejoin your teammates. So, as it stands, the challengers have lost 1 brain from the final round, and the eggheads have also lost a brain. The next subject is music. Who would like this? This is a good one.
That's going to be Andrew. A musician.
Okay, Andrew.
Looks like it's me, yeah.
Against which egghead can't be Pat or Judith?
Yeah, Barry, I think, please.
Well, you said that as in a sort of, as if inspiration was coming to you there. Barry, are you feeling musical?
I'll let you know shortly.
Okay, so it's Andrew from Rodney's Trotters.